Alex, a young professional, found himself drowning in debt and feeling lost about money. One day, he attended a financial literacy seminar on a whim. This seminar opened his eyes to how little he knew about managing his finances. Alex realized he wasn't alone. Many people struggle with understanding money. We use money every day, yet most of us aren't taught how to manage it properly. Schools rarely cover personal finance, leaving many to learn through trial and error. This gap in knowledge can lead to stress, poor decisions, and financial hardship. Understanding money isn't just about paying bills or saving for a rainy day. It's about making informed choices that can lead to a secure and fulfilling life. Financial literacy gives us the tools to plan for the future, invest wisely, and avoid common pitfalls. This guide is for beginners like Alex, who want to take control of their financial lives. Whether you're starting your first job, dealing with debt, or planning for the future, financial literacy is the key to financial freedom. Let's start this journey together and discover how learning about money can change your life for the better. The importance of financial literacy. Understanding money is more important than ever. Financial literacy means knowing how to manage money, make good financial decisions, and plan for the future. It's a skill that can change lives. Take, for example, Sarah. She used to live paycheck to paycheck, always worried about bills and unexpected expenses. After learning about budgeting and saving, she started to feel more in control. Now, she has an emergency fund and is saving for a house. Sarah's story shows how financial education can lead to a better, less stressful life. On a larger scale, when more people understand money, the whole society benefits. People with good financial habits are less likely to fall into debt. They can handle emergencies better and contribute to a stronger economy. Research shows that countries with higher levels of financial literacy have lower poverty rates and more stable economies. Consider these statistics. According to the OECD, only 1 in 3 adults worldwide understand basic financial concepts. This lack of knowledge can lead to bad decisions, like taking on too much debt or not saving enough for retirement. Financial literacy is about more than just numbers. It's about making smart choices that lead to financial stability and peace of mind. It's never too late to start learning. Just like Sarah, you can take steps today to improve your financial knowledge and build a better future for yourself and your family. Understanding money can help you live a more secure and confident life. The basics of financial education. Learning the basics of managing money is the first step to financial freedom. Here are some key areas to focus on. Budgeting. Creating a budget helps you track your income and expenses. This means knowing how much money you make and how much you spend each month. A budget helps you avoid overspending and can show you where to save. For example, Lisa, a single mother, found she was spending too much on eating out. By cutting back and cooking at home, she saved enough to pay off her credit card debt. Saving and emergency funds. It's important to save money for future needs and unexpected expenses. An emergency fund is money set aside for unforeseen events like car repairs or medical bills. Even small savings can make a big difference. For instance, when John's car broke down, his emergency fund covered the repair costs, preventing him from going into debt. Debt management. Understanding debt is crucial. There are good debts, like student loans or mortgages, which can help you invest in your future. Then there are bad debts, like high-interest credit card balances, which can be harmful if not managed well. Emily, a recent graduate, had student loans and credit card debt. By focusing on paying off the high-interest credit card first, she saved money on interest and reduced her overall debt faster. Investing for the future. Investing helps your money grow over time. This can include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. It's important to start investing early, even with small amounts. For example, Tom started investing $50 a month at age 25. By the time he was 50, his investments had grown significantly thanks to compound interest. These basics of financial education provide a strong foundation for financial success. By mastering these skills, you can take control of your financial future and achieve your goals. Investing for the future. Investing is a key part of building wealth and securing your financial future. Investing means putting your money into something with the hope that it will grow over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. For example, Jake started investing small amounts in his early 20s. Over the years, his investments grew significantly, giving him a strong financial cushion by the time he was in his 40s. There are various ways to invest your money. Stocks. Buying shares of a company. If the company does well, the value of your shares can increase, and you might earn dividends. Bonds. Loans to the government or companies that pay you interest over time. Mutual funds. Pools of money from many investors to buy a mix of stocks and bonds, managed by professionals. Real estate. Buying property to rent out or sell for a profit later. Simplifying investment terms. Investing can seem complicated, but it helps to break down the terms. For example, a stock is just a small piece of a company. When you own a stock, you own a part of that company. A bond is like lending money to the government or a company in exchange for interest. Risk and return. All investments come with some risk, the possibility of losing money. Generally, higher risk can lead to higher returns, while lower risk usually means lower returns. It's important to find a balance that fits your comfort level. For instance, younger people might take more risks because they have more time to recover from losses. On the other hand, those nearing retirement might prefer safer investments to protect their savings. Investment strategies for different life stages. Your investment strategy should change as you go through different stages of life. A young adult might focus on growth stocks with higher risk and return potential. Someone closer to retirement might shift to bonds and other safer investments to preserve their wealth. Investing can seem overwhelming at first, but starting small and learning as you go can make a big difference in your financial future. By understanding the basics and balancing risk with return, you can build a strong investment portfolio that grows over time. Building good financial habits. Creating good financial habits is essential for long-term success. Here are some key habits to develop. Mindset shift. Start by changing how you think about money. Instead of seeing money only as a way to buy things, think of it as a tool to build your future. This shift helps you prioritize saving and investing over unnecessary spending. Learning to delay gratification or waiting to buy something until you can afford it is a powerful habit that can lead to financial stability. Regularly review your finances. Make it a habit to check your finances regularly. This means looking at your bank statements, tracking your expenses, and reviewing your budget. For example, Jane and her husband review their finances together every month. This helps them stay on track with their financial goals and quickly catch any problems. Set financial goals. Having clear financial goals gives you something to work towards. These goals could be saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Write down your goals and make a plan to achieve them. Setting both short-term and long-term goals can keep you motivated and focused. Continuous learning. The world of finance is always changing, so it's important to keep learning. Read books, take online courses, and follow financial news. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Use technology. There are many apps and tools that can help you manage your money. Apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and Robinhood can help you track spending, create budgets, and invest easily. By developing these good financial habits, you can take control of your money and build a secure financial future. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Resources for financial education. Learning about money is easier with the right resources. Here are some helpful tools to get you started. Books and online courses. Books are a great way to learn about personal finance. Some popular ones include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, which explains the basics of money management, and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, which focuses on getting out of debt. Online courses are also helpful. Websites like Coursera and Khan Academy offer free courses on personal finance, financial advisors, and community programs. Sometimes, professional advice is needed. Financial advisors can help you create a plan tailored to your needs. Community programs also offer free or low-cost financial education workshops. Local libraries, community centers, and nonprofit organizations often provide these services. Apps and tools. Technology makes managing money easier. Budgeting apps like Mint and Inab, you need a budget, help you track spending and set financial goals. Investment apps like Robinhood and Acorns make it simple to start investing, even with small amounts of money. Websites and blogs. There are many websites and blogs dedicated to personal finance. Websites like NerdWallet and Investopedia provide easy-to-understand articles on a wide range of financial topics. Using these resources, you can improve your financial knowledge and take control of your money. Start with one or two and gradually expand your learning. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make smart financial decisions.